All right, today we're cooking buttermilk, rosemary-brine fried chicken. Doesn't that look good? All right, let's get to cooking here. All right, we have our chicken breast cut, brining in buttermilk and rosemary. I like to use fresh rosemary. Fresh, I have a couple of bushes that I cut from, or you can use dried rosemary as well. And you let it brine in the buttermilk and rosemary combo for at least 3 hours. You can do 3, 12, or even 24. But that buttermilk begins to break down the tissue and gives it a nice savory flavor. Matter of fact, Popeyes uses buttermilk, some kind of buttermilk wash. That looks delicious. And I already have my seasoning in that flour. All right, you got your fryer set at 350. That's the magical temperature for frying chicken. Look at that grease, looks good. All right, now we're leaving this over here. This is my second sheet of breast, letting them continue to marinate while I get ready to fry. Boy, if you could reach your hands up through there. That's fresh chicken. Doesn't it look good? All right. Now, this right here is my second batch. I double dipped it in the wash after allowing it to dip that first time so it can have an extra crispy crust. That sounds delicious. Now, you let it fry until it's golden brown, which is about 2-3 minutes. You can tell by how it looks on the outside mainly. All right, this is what buttermilk, rosemary, brine chicken looks like. Beautiful. It's delicious. I would have eaten it on camera, but hey, I'm filming it and videoing it myself, so I couldn't do that. But thanks again for tuning in to the Urban Soul Chef, that is. And if you would, hit that like button and do me a favor, subscribe.